it's me, Kylie. Welcome to the studio. Today we're practicing drawing, and we are going to be drawing a sunflower. Sunflowers are one of my favorites because they can be so big, and of course, they're my favorite color, yellow. We're gonna start with a circle. Don't worry if this isn't perfect. Nature isn't perfect, and it's still beautiful, just like you, just like me, just like this drawing's gonna be. Now that we have our circle, I'm gonna draw a petal shape at the very top. Then I'm gonna go boop, 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 exact opposite, and draw the same shape at the very bottom. Now one side, and boop, 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 right across. Drawing our sunflower this way helps me make sure that my row of petals can be equally spaced, and so it's pretty much symmetrical, which means the same on both sides. Now I'm going to draw a petal in each of the spaces between the petals I've already drawn. That will be our first row of petals. Sunflower petals overlap each other, so we're gonna draw rows that go back and back and back. The way we're gonna do this is to draw this shape, just the top petal shape, in between each of the petals we've already drawn. See how it makes it look like those petals are behind the front row of petals? Cool, huh? Now you can decide if you want to add another row. You would just draw an even smaller version of that shape between all these new gaps. Check it out! I love it. Now it's time to fill in the middle of our circle, which is where you find all of those sunflower seeds. This is a technique in drawing called stippling, where you make dots either further apart or closer together to draw your image or to make shading. I'm gonna make a darker ring right in the middle of my sunflower seeds without drawing a line. I'm just going to put the dots closer to each other, and believe it or not, we'll see a ring without even drawing a straight line. All right, I'm gonna color it, and I'm gonna make my sunflower yellow. But if you draw one at home, make your sunflower whatever color you're feeling, because this is your drawing and you get to be your whole creative self. There it is, so sunny. If you want to make more things together, drawings and all sorts of art, just subscribe to this channel, Kylee Makes It, Kylee. That's me. I'll see you soon.